Introducing the revolutionary Gravity Series charcoal grill and smoker by Masterbuilt. Utilizing gravity and precision-controlled airflow, now you can finally get all the flavor of charcoal with none of the effort. This is charcoal cooking relit. Smoking with charcoal has been anything but easy. Late nights, early mornings, constant monitoring, and even after all that, you still hope for the best. But all that has changed. Take a closer look and you'll see that letting gravity do the work for you is about as easy as it gets. Fill the patented gravity-fed charcoal hopper with your favorite lump charcoal or briquettes and light it up. As charcoal from the bottom burns, gravity feeds the fire for hours of continuous cooking. Still not impressed? Try to find these digital controls on any other charcoal smoker. You're not going to find them. The Gravity Series DigitalFan control allows you to set the temperature and it'll follow through. If you think of the digital controls as the brain, then the heart of the Gravity Series is the Masterbuilt DigitalFan. Based on the internal temperature readings, the DigitalFan adds just the right amount of air to the fire to keep a constant cooking temperature. As if that level of control isn't enough, the Gravity Series has built-in Wi-Fi Bluetooth capability. Download the Masterbuilt app and you can connect the Gravity Series from anywhere. The app not only allows you to monitor your food, but also allows you to make changes to settings remotely. The Gravity Series heats up to a smoking temperature of 225 degrees in only 7 minutes. But the Gravity Series is way more than a smoker, with a searing temperature of 700 degrees in just 13 minutes. Try doing that with pellets. It's an impressive charcoal grill for any backyard grilling occasion. It's easy to light, it will maintain a temperature, and you can shut it down to save fuel. With hours of continuous, perfectly controlled cooking, you won't find a more capable and precise charcoal smoker and grill in the world. Of course, you can try, but there you go again, trying to do more work than you should. The Gravity Series Charcoal Grill and Smoker by Masterbuilt. All the flavor of charcoal, none of the effort. Let gravity do the work.